Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel for singing lessons from scratch. I'm Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist, and vocal technique teacher. As you've requested, here it is, how to learn to sing with just one exercise. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support me, please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and you can also give me a like. Thank you very much. Follow me on my other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Telegram. If you're a beginner and don't know where to start, I recommend my free playlist with 30 videos. You can find it here. The world is getting faster and faster. We want fast food, faster cars, and we want to learn things quickly. It was a challenge for me, but I made this effort for you. I won't deceive you by saying that practicing for just 5 minutes will make you sing like Luciano Pavarotti or Whitney Houston. That would be a big lie. But this exercise will help us improve the 3 most important aspects of vocal technique. First, breathing. Second, pitch. And third, rhythm. It seems like magic, doesn't it? I've divided this exercise into 3 levels of difficulty. I want you to leave a comment letting me know which difficulty level you were able to complete. Whether you could only do level 1 for beginners, level 2 for intermediate, or level 3 for advanced. Practice this exercise daily, and you'll see that your voice improves day by day. Level 1, we're going to do lip trills with the melody. If you still can't do lip trills, I recommend watching my video on how to sing with diaphragm. You can find it here. For now, you can substitute it with the male voice starts from AG2, and the female voice starts from AG3.
Ahora tú. Puedes hacerlo con la R. Más. Tú. Más. Voz de cabeza, chicos. Y una más. Muy bien.
Did you manage to complete level 1 difficulty? Write it in the comments.
Ahora tú. Tú. Respira bien. Tú. poquito más. Ahora tú. Una más. Muy bien.
Write in the comments what is the most challenging aspect for you when it comes to singing. Do you get tired quickly, run out of breath, or perhaps struggle with high notes or low notes? Let's see, my champions, we've reached level 3 of difficulty. In the advanced level, a piece of advice: you don't need a lot of air for this exercise. Don't inhale too intensely, or you might get dizzy. Don't do this, or even worse, through your mouth. No, you'll get dizzy in just 2 minutes. It's not necessary. Inhale calmly. You only need 1 or 2 breaths. That's enough.
Es suficiente. Ahora tú. Un poco más complicado, vamos. Ahora tú. Muy bien. Muy bien, vamos. Muy bien, campeones. Ahora tú. ¿Qué tal? Vamos, vamos. Muy bien, seguimos. Y un poquito más, chicos, vamos. Muy bien. Una más. Ahora tú. Muy bien.
Write in the comments if you've reached the end of level 3.
I invite you to visit my website, nataliabliss.com, where you can find information about my singing courses and classes. My interactive singing course includes vocal technique explanations, and in each module, it includes the exercises you should practice daily. You can also contact me, send me your videos or audio privately to receive my advice. My video course is on Udemy, the online store for sound equipment that I use, and you will also find my free voice tuner. I've left the link in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep improving your vocal technique. Kisses!